Hello everyone, this is Tripti. Today we are back with our new chapter of series Staffing, that is Business Studies chapter number 6 Staffing. Introduction. Success depends upon physical resources and financial resources. किसी भी company का जो success है that depends upon the physical resource and financial resource plus one more thing, that is utilization of these resources by the human resource. अगर human resource will not be a good to utilize the financial and physical resource, these two resources are waste. So utilization by human resource are the person who are performing the duties in our organization. So the hard working and efficient people are the assets of the company. So what is the asset of the company? The hard working and the efficient people जो हमारी कंपनी के लिए हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं and they are very efficient. So the key to success is the right person. See, this is the right person at the right job position. अगर right job position है but the person is wrong sitting on it, so that will not be good. But the person is right but he is not sitting at the right job position, so that will also not be good. So right person at the right position will be the best combination for the success. So conclusion is staffing is bringing the right and efficient people in the organization. How we can do staffing in the our organization by doing the interviews and selecting the best amongst the interviewers and lots of screening and that part goes on, and उसमें से हमें right and efficient people को choose करके हमारे organization में place करना होता है. So this is the only introduction part. If you want a detailed video, please DM. Bye bye.